Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about Fire Defensible Space. All right, so Fire Defensible Space. But we're coming into winter. We still got, almost a month of fall left, but still. Fire Defensible Space can be utilized in winter. There's still fires all the time. And with all the dead leaves on the ground and the trees that have gone dormant that are really susceptible to fire, you need to keep the area around your home and outbuildings clean and fire safe. Remember, there are 4 zones. The first zone is within 5 feet of any building. This is what we'd like to call the green zone. That's if you have plants that lose their leaves and stuff, you make sure that it's cleaned up really well. You do not stack firewood within 5 feet of any structure. And this is your super safe buffer zone. The next zone goes out another 35 feet. And this we like to refer to as the lawn zone. This is where people have all their lawns and stuff, and it's a really not much stuff there zone. You got your lawns, you got your little gazebo, pop-up things if you have anything like that. It's a family play area type zone. Then from there out to 100 feet is the yellow zone. That's the one where you need to keep, brush. You need to keep brush down. You can have more trees out in that zone. Tree spacing needs to be 30 feet between trees. So they're not easily, fire can't spread easily between trees. Then from 100 to 200 feet out is the orange zone. That can have the tree, you still also try to keep the ground brush clear of it. Trees can be as close as 25 feet apart, but you don't want to let them get much closer and tighter than that. The idea is when it's beyond 200 feet, it's the red zone. That's where fire is most likely to happen. And if it burns up to the orange zone should slow it down because fuel now is becoming spaced out and not so densely packed. Yellow zone, even more spaced out. Lawn zone, it should not even come across the lawn zone at all. So remember, this applies to your house, your barns, your sheds, and everything else. Measure from those out. You start going, zones are going to start overlapping, blending together, which is perfectly fine. All right. So with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. And most importantly, keep on prepping, adding to your food, your water, your skills, and doing things around your home that need to be taken care of so you don't end up like this.